Dear student, in the last class, we have passed the journal related to the problem oversubscription of King and Queen Limited. All journal we have passed in the journal book. Now we are doing the balance sheet. The balance sheet as per Company Act 2013, Schedule 3, Part 1. Specific format is given to prepare the vertical balance sheet. It is not horizontal balance sheet, it is a vertical balance sheet. First we should write here balance sheet of the company, that means balance sheet of King and Queen Limited. Balance sheet of King and Queen Limited as on, we don't know this, as on. Now particulars, then note number, then current year, rupees debit, previous year, previous year, no debit, no credit here, previous year, then rupees, particulars, then note number, then current year, then previous year. Now, and the details of this, that means disclosure, is to be given in the notes of account. Most important thing is disclosure of capital. Disclosure of capital. It is most important of capital account or capital. First, in the particulars, we should write 1. This 1, or it is 2. What is 1? Equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities. Liabilities, this is this. Then another is asset. That means there are two broad head. One is equity and liabilities, another is asset. First, we should write here shareholders. That is, you can write as A or B, whatever may be right. Shareholders fund. Then the details will be available here. B, reserve and surplus. But no reserve and surplus in this problem. Here, in the asset, there is a current asset, no fixed asset here. So, we should write here current assets. And the disclosure is to be given of the current asset under asset. We have a cash or bank, or you can write cash and bank equivalent. Cash and bank equivalents. Now, according to problem, we don't know the authorized capital. First we should write share capital. Under share capital, this we should write authorized. Authorized we don't know what is authorized capital here in this problem. It is unknown for the current year, also for previous year. Now we are closing the authorized capital. Thereafter, issued and subscribed. Thereafter, issued. There must be issued figure, then subscribed, called up, paid up. But in this problem, issued and subscribed amount, it is issued 20,000 and subscribed also 20,000. So, issued and subscribed, not issued, the another is issued and subscribed. Issued and subscribed. How many shares are issued? Subscribed capital is to issued 20,000, also subscribed. That means 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. That is equal to 20, that means 2 lakhs rupees. 20,000 into 10, that means 2 lakh rupees. And we are closing because no, and the details, it is note number 1 and thereafter note 2 or etc. may be required, but note number 1, that means 2 lakhs is to be inserted here, but shareholder funds, that is 2 lakh, then we are closing, no other entry. So shareholder fund, it is 2 lakh and note number 1 is written here. There is note number 2, cash and cash equivalent. Cash or bank. Cash or bank or equivalent. What is this? Then 2 lakh. We are closing this and it is note number 2. We are writing here note number 2. We are writing here note number, it is 1 or it is note number 2. We have this given here disclosure of capital. Share capital authorized, we don't know. Issued and subscribed 20,000 of equity share of rupees 10 is fully subscribed. You can issued and subscribed is fully subscribed. Fully subscribed, that is equal to 2 lakhs. And at note number 1, we are putting a note number 1. And cash or bank balance, we have got the bank account rupees 2 lakhs rupees. It is note number 2. No need of details here, just given a note and 2 cash and cash equivalent. Only bank balance is 2 lakhs rupees here. So this balance sheet is prepared, equity and liabilities, then assets. Then equity and liabilities, A and B, only there is no figure for reserve and surplus. And next sum will, number of head will be increased, equity and liabilities also, that is equal to then shareholder funds, thereafter capital and reserve, that may be PL balance, then share premium account and general reserve etc. And the details is to be given in the notes of account and it will be mentioned here under note number and amount here. But in this problem, there is no question at all, because we don't know the what is the profit, what is the capital reserve. There is no question of share premium account. Only we have only asset balance, that is bank balance. It is 2 lakhs. So this balance sheet is PPR under Company Act. Now Schedule 3, part number 1, and I am again explain what are the heads inserted in the balance sheet. All disclosure is to be given in the notes of account. Today I am concluding the class. Next class will be taken on another problem of purchase consideration, one problem, another problem over subscription. Also another sum I will do in the next class. Okay, thanks all of you, and please join the next class also.